Hey there, if you want to learn how to make aesthetic YouTube intros for your YouTube videos just like the one you just saw, then trust me, you want to keep on watching this video because I'm about to show you how to do that. So we are now on Canva homepage, and here we are going to go straight into creating a design. But before that, I would like to advise that for this case we will need to use a paid version of Canva because the free version does not have the features that we want to use for this intro video. So I'm just going to click on create design, and I'm going to type in the word YouTube. Then I'll scroll down and select anyone that has a video. So this YouTube game can also go now. This is the home page. This is the size of a video. So I'm just going to either increase this. So what I'm planning to do is to create 2 pages, and I don't want it to be too long. I just want it to be like 12 seconds or so. So I'm going to add the second page, and I'll just spread them out to about 6 seconds. They both slide to be 6 seconds, so that together they are going to give us 12 seconds. Then I'm going to go to element and type in the word beige, just like a neutral background. I just want to use a neutral background for this. Okay, with that done, we are going to go to view all. Then you're going to scroll through until you find the design that you really want to use, or the design that really catches your eye. So I think I like this, and I'm going to use this. I'm just going to make sure I spread it out evenly to fill up our working space, and then I'm going to move over to the first page and do the same. So next thing, I'm going to move over to text, and I'm going to add a text. So you can go on ahead and select the already text format you already have here, or you can just create a new one. So I'm just going to go with this because I really like the fonts, and I'm going to try to ungroup them, and then so that I can use the ones I really want to use. So I'm going to go with these 2. And then we are going to type in the name of our channel, which is Karen Manka. Make sure to open that so that it can be evenly distributed. I'm going to shift this under here. This other font is just a bit of, aesthetic or something. This is an aesthetic intro video we are creating, so you really need to be creative. Then I'm going to change the fonts, look for something much clearer. I think this black is going to go. I'm going to write in the name of my channel again, just to give it some kind of aesthetic and beauty. I'm going to increase the size a little, and then position it where I want it to be. I think I'm also going to change the color. The color doesn't really look nice, so I'm going to change it to something a little clearer. Yeah, just going to touch that to make it a little more bold. So while working with your font color, you want to look for colors that will really blend with the other fonts, some kind of homogeneity. So I'm going to add another text and just put in my niche. YouTube space and motherhood. That's actually my niche. I'm just making videos on my journey here on YouTube, and also my journey as a mom and as a new mom of 2. So I'm just giving you my experiences and what I think. So these are the 2 niches I'm working with right now. So next, I'm going to go over to pictures, and I'm going to import the picture I want to use, the very first picture I want to add to my design. Yes, so I'm going to use this picture, increase the size to make it fit to our design. Looks like my name is, the font size is too big, so I'm just going to reduce it a little bit and adjust it before removing the background. So I'll go to edit image and I'll remove the background of my picture. Okay, with that done, we are going to go back to element and type in the word picture frame just to add some more pictures while giving it some more style, you know, to make it really look sophisticated and kind of aesthetic. So I'm going to go with these frames, they really look good. I'm just trying to increase the size a little bit. I'll now go over to my gallery and then just upload the images I want to use into these frames. As you can see the beauty is really coming back. The beauty is really coming out. Then I'm going to go over to element again and click subscribe. So I want a video, so I'm just going to go through and select which of the subscribe buttons I want to use. This is just to give it some life, you know. So next I'm going to remove the background of this subscribe button because we don't need the green part. And when you click on the play button, this is how it's going to look like. Now we are going to move over to the second page. So what I want to do is like basically a call to action, or what I want my viewers to do. So for example, if I want to grow my Instagram account, I would say follow me on my Instagram account. Or if I want to grow my newsletter, or I have a website, I'm going to say follow me or subscribe to my newsletter. So in this case, I want to grow my Instagram account, so I'm just going to say follow me on my Instagram account. So I'm just going to copy everything, the name of my channel I had on my first page over to my second page, and just try to adjust it a little bit. So I'm just going to change this to follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to look for a square where I'm going to put in my Instagram handle. Just going to reduce the size so that the shape won't be too big for my Instagram handle. Now I'll go back to element again and I'll search for the Instagram icon or Instagram logo, whichever one you choose. So I'm going to scroll through till I find the one I want to use, then I'm going to transfer it over now to our shape, and then we can now add our Instagram handle. I'll go back to text and just add the text I want to use. Karen underscore. I've made an error. Okay, so there we have it. I've corrected the error. We have Karen underscore, and then so this is my Instagram handle. Next I'm going to go over to element and type in the one phone frame. So I'm going to select the phone frame I want to use. Then before doing this, I've already taken a video of my Instagram page, so that I'm going to transfer it over to this section. So the video is already downloaded into my computer. I'm just going to go through, select it, and transfer it over to the phone case, just so I can add a little bit of beauty, you know. And voila, there you have it. when you press play, it's really going to look nice. Alright, so I noticed that the page became too long, so I'm going to reduce it back to 6 seconds. So for animation, I'm going to recommend you use something more aesthetic or sophisticated, not something too dramatic, you know, just something that's just all over the place, not something too dramatic. Or either way, you can just go on ahead and choose whatever works best for you. So I'm just going to go to animation, and then I'll go through and just select something really cool, not something so complicated, just something simple. As you can see, I'm just going through all the animations to see which one will be better for me to use. So I think I'm going to go with this. This look really nice. So I'm going to go with this on both pages. Yeah. So when you play it, this is how it really looks. Then when you're done with your design, all you need to do is to click on share. Then you select the number of pages, you select the option. Do you want to download a PNG for, or you can go on and choose the one that will be suggested to you. Make sure you go through to select, because after going through all this stress, you might make an error and download the picture. So you have to ensure that you downloaded the MP4 video, and with that you have your design ready. So when you're done from here, the next thing you're going to do is for you to take your video over to CapCut, where you can add a very nice and sweet song to your design or to your intro video. So you want to make sure that you look for a non-copyright music to avoid getting a strike from YouTube. So I have a video on that, so I'm just going to drop the link in the description box below, so you can go ahead, check it, and see how you can upload a non-copyright music from YouTube to your video to avoid having a strike from YouTube. Of course, you can do that after you're finished watching this video. So I'm just going to drop the link below so that you can go on ahead and check that out. So for this process, I'm going to be using the CapCut on my phone and not on my desktop, because I want to show you how you can upload a non-copyright free music from your phone on CapCut. So on CapCut, the first thing you're going to do is click on new project. Then you're going to select the video you want to add the music to. Then you're going to click on audio, you go to extract, then you go to your gallery and you choose the video that you recorded from YouTube, a non-copyright video. Then you just add it, and that's all. It's going to extract just the sound. Then you can go on and delete the sound from where you want to start using your audio, as well as you can fast forward or you can slide over right to the end to where you really want your music to stop, and you just cut it there. And at that point, that's how you can add your music on your project in CapCut. And it has to be a non-copyright music. Please make sure you record a non-copyright music for you from YouTube before adding it over to your project. So when you're done with this process, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to download it over to your device. And now moving forward, you can start using this aesthetic intro for your YouTube videos. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we put up a new video. If you've been looking for a way to build your YouTube channel, I do have a free downloadable guide that you can go on and download it from my description box below. It's going to help you to be able to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. And after you've downloaded the free downloadable checklist from the description box below, the next thing you can do is to click on the video on the screen, and I am going to see you in the next video.